Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to show you our stock photography earning proof. Okay, so for the month of May, so I'm just going to in the contributor.stock.adobe.com. So I'm going to show you my Adobe Stock earning proof. Okay, so for this one, I am just checking the dashboard of Adobe Stock. Okay guys, so now you can see here I am inside my Adobe Stock dashboard, and I'm just going to choose the date. So I'm just choosing the May 1 to May 31, and I'm just clicking in the display statistics. So now you can see here in the month of the May I got 7 sales, and I'm just checking the earning also. So I'm clicking the display statistic, and I got total $5. So this is one of the amazing thing. So I'm not uploading any more photos on Adobe Stock, but it is giving me earning passively. So if you want to also earn money from the stock photography, you can check the link which is given in the video description, and I'll give the link in the comment below also. Thank you so much.